everyone. I would like to talk about postdoc in this presentation today. So, what is postdoc? Postdoc is a training focused fellowship after doctorate degree. For example, if you have done your PhD or doctorate program in cancer based drug delivery systems and you would like to continue your training in the same or different field, you can do postdoc studies. Most of the postdoc studies are based in US. If you have done your PhD in Asia, for example, in India or in China, and would like to get more training in US university for same or different topic, you can consider doing postdoc studies. To look for postdoc position, you need to go to university website and look for your area of research interest and shortlist those universities for postdoc consideration. Once you select the universities, you can look for the professor whose work is close to your previous work, or it can be extension of your previous work. You can also approach professor if you think you can add to his research using your expertise. Sometimes research would need different expertise to achieve common goals. Based on this criteria, you can connect with the professor to express your interest. Some of the professors they may or may not respond. Few professors they do respond. But please continue to show your desire to the professor so that interest is generated within you and between you and professor. There are advantages of doing postdoc studies. You can extend the knowledge in the desired field and also get exposure to different university, work culture, different techniques for doing experiments. This would help you to publish and present research papers in scientific community. From career perspective, if you would like to stay within the university and would like to have a career in university as a professor or researcher, you could do so with postdoc experience. Postdoc experience really helps for writing grants, getting more exposure to the research areas, connecting with the different uh, NIH or other funding agencies that would really build you for the writing skills. There are drawbacks of doing postdoc studies. It includes it is a low paying fellowship after PhD program. So based on uh, PhD, you spent a lot of years in the PhD program. So after PhD program, you would expect that you will earn a lot of money with the postdoc, but that is not the case. Postdoc is a minimum fellowship after PhD program. So that those things you need to consider if you are coming for the postdoc studies. If you are interested in doing job in industry, postdoc may not give applicable industrial exposure. For example, if you are doing some research in uh, antibodies or some genetic research, then it may not be applicable to the industry because it would be quite a bit of basic research. So it would be have limited exposure to industry. But there are advantages of postdoc. It is easier to get visa for postdoc studies at US universities since it comes in research related activity. There are options. You do postdoc for a few years and then you can move into industry. That transition can be difficult, but it is not impossible. It takes time. You need to publish some papers, uh, apply for EB1 visa, or so that you can have a green card faster, and then you move into industry. So there are ways, but it takes time to move into industry if your interest is in industry. But postdoc is a good career path in the university to get more scientific knowledge in the US universities. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for my channel. I will dedicate this channel for pharmacy. I will talk more about opportunities in pharmacy and pharmaceutical coursework and stuff. So please subscribe for my channel. Thank you.